Hello world! Welcome to my channel. My name is Shanay Braxton and I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator. Today you can find me in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm extremely excited to be here. I will be in Georgia for the next 2 days. Then I'll be going to New Orleans to participate in Wonderfest. I'm excited because this is going to be a great opportunity for me to network with other creators and travelers in the industry, and I'm very excited to be a part of the conference this year. I'll be volunteering my time, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity to volunteer because it'll give me an opportunity to learn and network from other creators, other travelers, other businesses in the travel industry. And it's just a great opportunity to continue to meet new people and build relationships. I'm going to be traveling from Atlanta to New Orleans. That's one of the tips that I want to share with you today is when you're traveling and you're a creator, I always recommend if you can squeeze more than one trip into your travels because it'll be a great opportunity for you to capture content in different destinations. Sometimes it's even cheaper to do it. So for example, from Cleveland, it's always less expensive to travel between Cleveland and Atlanta. So I figured why not stop over in Atlanta, and then from Atlanta to New Orleans is also very inexpensive. When you're traveling, I always recommend seeing how you can squeeze in 2 trips into one. It's always a great way to maximize travel. March is Women's History Month, and this month what I would like to do is highlight a woman-owned apparel company called No Bases. As you can see, I'm wearing No Bases apparel today, and I believe that this woman is making history. Her name is Althea, and she's the owner of No Bases. No Bases was actually born out of Althea's travel experiences. She's the true definition of my belief that travel inspires creativity. Althea studied in France in university, and because of her experience living abroad and not being fluent in the language, No Bases was born because she thought, if I could wear what I was thinking on my clothes, then people wouldn't have to ask me how I'm doing. I could have a shirt on that says I don't speak French. And that is exactly how No Bases was born. So I'm very excited to share with you today the apparel that I have on, which you all know. Just randomly one day I was in my bathroom in the mirror practicing my intro, and Hello World just came out, and I was like, that's it. From there I stuck with that, and that actually helps me to continue on my YouTube journey. Althea is a woman making history, and I'm very excited to share her brand with you so that you can express yourself through fashion. Today's agenda is gonna be pretty chill. I'm not gonna do a lot today. I do want to go and visit a couple points of interest. I already created my map on the places that I want to go. I'll be going to the Fox Theather, and I think I want to go to Tech Square. I'm currently in Midtown Atlanta. I do have an itinerary for the next 2 days, so let me tell you some of the places that I want to explore. And all the places that I want to explore are really places for me to be able to capture content. So that's what I think about when I'm traveling, is where are the points of interest where I can capture content. And this is just my tentative itinerary. As you know, things always change. Points of interest that I'm considering are Tech Square, the Atlanta Social Club. I also want to visit the Fox Theather area. That's a very iconic area in Midtown. There's the Trap Museum, and then Atlanta Contemporary Museum. Tomorrow, I want to explore Jackson Street Northeast, and that gives you the skyline view of Atlanta. I also want to explore the Krog Street Tunnel, the John Lewis and Obama mural. So it's really cool. If you're a creator, I highly recommend looking more into some unique points of interest here in Atlanta that you can explore and you can capture content around. Let's hit the streets and explore today. Fun fact, there are about 71 streets in Georgia called Peachtree. And there are different variations: street, boulevard. In Midtown, you can find a lot of bars, restaurants, all types of activities that you could be interested in, yoga, anything really. I'm walking to Fox Theather now, and Fox Theather is at Peachtree Street and Ponce de Leon. It's not too far from where I'm staying, about a 20-minute walk. I think I could have also taken the train, but a walk is fine. Another fun fact about Georgia is that the peach is the Georgia state fruit. And the reason why is because the peaches that are grown in Georgia have the best texture, the best flavor, and that's why Georgia is known for peaches. So that's really exciting. And actually my family is from Georgia. One year my mom and I came here and we went to the African American History Museum. It's not in Atlanta, it's another one that we went to in another city. On the way to the museum, we saw a peach ice cream shop, and we love ice cream. So we stopped and we got some peach ice cream, and it was really good. When you come to Georgia, you have to get peach ice cream. Oh, and growing up, we loved peach pop. I'm not really a pop drinker, but when we come to Georgia, my family loves getting the peach pop. We are approaching Fox Theater. The Fox Theater's architectural designs were inspired by Alhambra in Spain and Egypt's Temple of Karnak. Welcome to Fox Theater, Atlanta's favorite theater. Fox Theater has a very significant history. It was built in the 1920s, and it was originally built for a group of Shriners who ultimately could not afford to continue the project because of its elaborate architectural designs. Fox Theater was eventually bought out by William Fox, a developer who saw the potential of the theater. The first movie premiere here at Fox Theater was one of Walt Disney's first movies featuring Mickey Mouse. I also worked for Disney when I was in college, so it was very cool to hear that the first movie that Fox Theater premiered was Disney's first time featuring Mickey Mouse. In the 1920s, Fox Theater was amply named the Movie Palace. It had red carpet entryway, and the architectural design, as I mentioned, was inspired by the Far East and Spain, and very intricate details. It's absolutely beautiful and elegant inside. I haven't actually been inside of Fox Theater. They do offer tours if you're interested in touring Fox Theater. I'm actually going to head over there now and see if I can get an impromptu tour because I haven't scheduled one. Atlanteans love this theater, and in the 1920s it was the place to be for movie premieres as well as events and live performances. Let's see if we can go inside. I'm going to a place called E-Ramen. It's in Midtown. I ended up coming back to the apartment. Here's what I got. I got the vegan noodles. I have a meeting at 2. I'm not an expert with chopsticks. Let's test this out. Oh. One thing I would have liked is for this to be spicy. Anyway, we're going to an Ethiopian restaurant for dinner tonight with my girl Shanay. I'm really excited about that. I'm so excited. And this is Sheba.
We should leave it in there. We should leave it in there.
Sheba honey wine in the vegan platter. Okay.
Hey, vlog.
Hey. Yes, so we just got back from dinner and it was so amazing. I have so much left over. Tonight we went to Desta's Ethiopian restaurant, and it was me, Joy, and Shanay. And Shanay is my friend from Peace Corps. So it was very fun to see her. I haven't seen her since she left Morocco in 2018. So it's been a while since we saw each other. So it was so good to see her. We just had a great time and we had fun talking about memories and life in Morocco. And it was just really fun tonight. I'm very satisfied. Tomorrow, I'm supposed to be meeting with my cousin who lives here and one of my other friends, Jaso. When I lived in New York, her and I lived there together. The plan is to go to the Jackson Street Northeast. I also want to go to Ponce City Market. As I'm going to these different places, I want to share information, show you how you can go about telling the story of destinations as a creator, because that's important to tell the stories of the neighborhoods that we visit, because that's always fun, not only just to share our own stories, but to share the stories of other influential people, places, things in the places that we travel around the world. So that's what I want to get more into, and want to also hear from you as to what you think when it comes to ways to tap more into travel content creation. I will see you all in the morning. Until next time, bye.